NAFA I&E is reconvening in person once again in Columbus this April with the timely theme of shifting gears.
This year, our theme for the I&E in person is going to be shifting gears. We put that theme together because we're really trying to represent the continual growth and evolution of fleet, and especially during times of uncertainty and the operational needs of shift to maintain that forward progress. And we really want to celebrate the forward progress fleet has made over the last few years. And we really feel it's a great year to celebrate that. The event will be held in April 11th to 13th at the Greater Columbus Convention Center. And we do have a pre-conference event scheduled for April 10th that we're hoping everybody can get to. We're thrilled to get the industry back together. We know we had our event in August this year, and everybody was really happy to get back together. And this year, we think we can do so with even more normalcy, but still have a lot of the safety elements in place to make sure there's a safe experience for everybody.